So after rough cutting on a flat surface, I've put it vertically in this vise so that I can begin to get rid of all the waste here and clean up these dovetails. I need some angled chisel here. Well, these two will come in real handy, so I can get back in these corners. So I'm just cleaning up that area that I couldn't get to with the straight chisel from the top. Then the other corner, you can see some of the knife cuts on the top of these pins. That shows me how I need to cut back to fit into the sockets. All right, so I'm just going to clean up a little bit in that corner. And do that on the other side. I'll have to do a lot more shaving on those sides to fit. But now I want to knock this down. You can see this cut line 3/16 off the outer face. So I need to tighten this vise. Let's see. So now I can stick the chisel right into that cut line. And that pretty much is what I want to get accomplished first here is to get back to that cut line like that. Okay, I'm going to stop this video and you can see how I'm cleaning this up. There's more steps yet.